stick on Velcro strips. These are Velcros you stick onto anywhere you want, and so you can have things attached with Velcro. You attach the rough side to one place and the soft side to another, and then you can stick the thing that you also attach the Velcro to the other thing you attach the other side of the Velcro to. And this thing I use a lot. You can find me using it a lot in my What's the Best Life Hacks. As you can see, I have this hook rack here attached with this Velcro also here, and the glue isn't all that strong that comes with it, so you will have to use something heavy duty like super glue on the seams, not directly on the Velcro. That won't work, it won't go through, but you use the glue on the seams. And I always keep at least 8 straps of these at one time. They're dollar store items, and as you can see, I use them here to attach these cookie cutters. You can watch that video on my other channel, Life Hack channel, Was the Best, and I use them on the fridge to keep stuff stuck on the fridge. I also use them to keep power strips raised on shelving, so that top shelf will obstruct the view of them, to keep things looking a little neater, as you can see here. Again, I had to use a heavy duty glue here. I used Gorilla Glue. I also use this on blinds to keep a decorative strip attached to the blinds instead of shoddy clips. Yeah, so these have immeasurable uses for them. You just have to think a bit out of the box.